Guys, remember when I was supposed to clean this side of my desk? Oh my gosh. This side of my desk a few days ago or a few videos back. Well, I finally found, I think it'll be the perfect drawer set here from IKEA. And I've been waiting for like 2 weeks for it to come. So today, I think we're gonna build that when it comes. It's supposed to come today. I've literally been so excited. I've just been like staring at the door like a dog waiting for their owner and just like waiting for the IKEA truck to come. And I'm like waiting. So once that comes, let's build this. And then we're gonna have the best clean new room for the new year ever. Okay, if you guys don't remember the last few videos, we listen and we don't judge, okay? Because this is my workspace right now. Yippee! You know, it's not the most aesthetic, but I'm just grateful to be having all these supplies and this workspace. So we listen and we don't judge. I know it's messy, but like this, it works. You know what I'm saying? I've been using this for the past year and I'm having, not terrible, it's just really messy because of all the products. That's why I bought a drawer that will put all the products away. We listen and we don't judge, guys. We're gonna build this right now and then transform my room. Yippee! Okay, usually my sister and my mom and my boyfriend help me with this building stuff, but first of all, my mom just got surgery, so she can't even lift anything. 2, my boyfriend's working, so he's not here. 3, Lauren's playing League, so she doesn't want me to bother her. So I'm impatient and I'm gonna try to do this myself. So let's get started. I don't know. I feel like we should just start it. Like I could do something, like clear this area out first and there's just so much stuff and I don't have space to build because of this giant ping pong table. Actually, it's not a ping pong table. It's like what people use to play beer pong, you know what I'm saying? That's what my friends brought to party at my house. Then I ended up keeping it and using it. Let's see if we can do this by ourselves. Oh, girl boss, am I right? Just get this out of the way. Oh my gosh, what is going on? Lauren's gonna help carry boxes right now. Oh. Oh. We're wearing like similar colors but reverse. No, we're not. Blue. Okay, mine's like tan. Look, we're like the same color. We are gonna change these curtains because I do not like the gray curtains in my room. I don't think they suit. But they're blackout. They're thick. Kind of, but I don't. Like they're neat. I'm gonna go ahead and replace them with the curtains that we got from IKEA. There she goes. This was easy to take off. Oh my god. Are you sure about that? I don't even think I got that. Okay. Someone's so tired. Oh, look at these curtains! Wow! You just did the curtains. I like how it suits your room so much more. Oh, it looks so good with this aesthetic. We just changed it because I think the other one was just it was too gray, but this color is so much better. I'm gonna like iron this out, but this is the first upgrade, and now we gotta do this. Who was here for our first building video? Remember when we built that dresser over there? Me, bro. I was there. Now we're building the second one. We. Sister bonding! You know how trend is like you don't know what I'm talking about? Like the dancing one? We should totally do that. The sister that buys the furniture and the sister that builds. It's starting to rain. Cozy building-ish.
we're missing a part.
What?
I can't find it.
When she's so tiny and petite that she can just fit into the drawer.
You won't even go in.
She's so tiny and petite, guys. Guys, I don't want to do this anymore. I'm tired.
Dude, it won't go in.
There was like TaskRabbit thing on the website that was like, if you pay us $100, we'll come assemble it for you. But I was like, bruh, why would I do that when I have a sister?
I hate you. I actually hate you. What is I will pay the $100.
Anita and Lauren too. We'll help you. This is for the aesthetic, Lauren. This is for that clean girl New Year's New Me aesthetic.
For your room. Buy me a bed frame, and then I'll be building this any day. Yeah, but I want drawers underneath my bed frame. You laid in my bed before. You know how sucky it is. Because I got it for cheap.
Go fund me. Lauren's a bed.
Hey.
That was tiring, and we still didn't finish. We still have so much to go. But this is the progress so far. Rethinking fits this window like perfectly. I was really struggling because I struggled to find something that fit perfectly, but this is actually really good. Looking pretty good. I think we're gonna have to finish the rest tomorrow because it's too much work. So guys, our power went out and we've been having nothing to do all day because our phones won't work. We have no charger.
Mine works. I charge mine.
So Lauren is building this thing that I got her. Look at how cute, Mr. Woodstock. And this is what I got her. I don't know if you saw my last video, but I got her this Snoopy puzzle. I used to have the original 3D puzzles, and I had this when I was little. And then when I saw this, it just brought back so many memories. Anyways, yeah, since the power's out, we're making Lauren build. Building time!
Where is it? Oh, here?
Word. I'd rather Lauren just do it
Woodstock will keep you company, guys. By the fire. We should do a Bob Ross painting video.
Ooh, we should totally paint. That should be a good video.
Is she good?
Guys, we did it. We finally built my dresser. No more messy table. And look at how cute Miffy is. I got that donut lamp for my mom, if you guys remember from my last video, but then I took it. And then I also got this tiny Miffy over here. Let me turn off the lights and show you guys how cozy it is. Ta-da! What the cozy? Look at that. Next to my PC. And then this. Oh my gosh, this is so aesthetic. And let me show you guys. In here I have some other products that I have. I'm like trying to organize them. These are all the products that I've been using and I really love, and I want to like display. Empty for now, and I think I'm gonna put my makeup bags in there. And this one has, I'm starting to organize. It has so much storage, so it's like way better than the table that I had because I could actually put stuff away neatly. And I just ordered more of these crates. So I have some products in here. These are like the products that I want to test out. And yeah. Oh, and these are my empties. I'm gonna fill up this shelf with empties so I can explain to you guys and show you guys what my favorite products are. But in general, guys, I'm so happy with how this looks. My room is finally coming together, and I've never had like an aesthetic room before, so this is like my first time as a grown adult, and I think this is like really fun and great for the new year. We're starting off the new year on the right track. My cozy vibe. It was thunderstorming so bad last night that I thought we were having an earthquake because the whole house was shaking and I was so scared, and now we're just having rain and the power finally turned back on, which is why I finally set up the lamp. It was horrible. It was so scary, and we didn't have power for like 10 hours, and I literally felt like an iPad kid waiting and fiending for my phone and my internet. In the meanwhile, I built the drawer, which is great, and here's to 2024. Cheers. This is the other side of the table that I had to move, so I'm trying to clean all of this. Moving it into here. Oh yeah, I got some new crates and storage supplies for my room, so I can put it in. Like, look at how cute this is. Look at the cutest. Oh, wait, this is giving like Neapolitan ice cream. Look at that. We can put these crates. Oh, isn't that so cute? That's like perfect. And maybe this pink one here. Yay! Here. Like this. And oh no, only one more fits. RIP. Maybe I'll just put like this one here. I don't know. Intermission, guys. Lauren made some bone broth hot chocolate that's been going viral on TikTok, and I don't know, I'm kind of scared. Never drank anything like that before. Bone broth into hot chocolate. Look at her face, look at her face. Drink that again and show them. It's so good. It can't be good. I knew it! Mom, try it, Mom.
오, 맛있어.
Mom does not like. No, heck no!
No, try it. I made it.
There's hair.
Oh, that's my hair. It was on my wrist.
No, I don't want to throw
Try it. You won't throw up. Trust me.
Wait, hold on.
Oh.
Bro, what the heck?
Maybe it's because there are carrots in the bone broth.
Dude, that's disgusting. I'm sorry.
You just wasted very good.
I'll drink it. I'll drink a cup of it tonight.
Oh my
Relax,
god. I think you should
guys.
add honey. Last night I was sitting and like assembling all this, and I was thinking, I'm like, I am so grateful to be able to decorate my room the way I want it. Like I told you guys so many times, I've never had like an aesthetic room before. Maybe when I was little and you know things were better back then, but since I was little, which is like elementary school, I've never had my own room and my own personal customized to the way I want it room with like my own style. And I don't know, like it's a blessing to be able to customize your room the way you want it. Like it's actually such, what's the right word to say it? It's a luxury. It's actually a luxury to be able to decorate your room the way you want it. Especially like growing up on social media my whole life, I feel like you're constantly comparing your looks, the way you live, and I've always just wanted an aesthetic room. And I feel like we're kind of getting there, and it's like making me really, really happy. So thank you guys so much for following me and supporting me on this journey. And even if you guys don't think it's aesthetic, I'm working on it. Definitely a huge improvement from like the last rooms I've been in, and I'm just really, really grateful. Like I was sitting here and my boyfriend was like on my computer and my PC and all the lights were turned on, and it was like the most aesthetic room. I was like, wow, like it's kind of giving cozy. Like for the first time in my life, it's giving cozy. So I'm really, really grateful, and I just like want to tell you guys, I just want to thank you guys forever and ever. And I hope it just keeps getting better from here. I don't want to stop. Thanks guys. I don't know, this is so like, it's like, if you, I don't know, if you get it, you get it, I guess.